Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I'm going to be hosting a beat battle for some of my Discord members. I have 3 contestants, 1 sample, a 30-minute time limit, and a $500 prize. They think they're just having a normal beat battle, they don't know anything about the prize or time limit yet, so I'm going to go ahead and announce everything to them, and we'll get straight into it. Alright, so we've got Johnny Beats, we've got Samo, and we've got Underscore. Here's the rules. You're gonna have 30 minutes to make a beat. There's no like set rules for the beat. It's not like a placement type of beat. It is a beat battle, so you can go crazy with it, add anything you want, but there is a time limit. There's 30 minutes. I'm gonna drop a sample in the Discord, and then the prize is gonna be $500.
Damn.
Oh my god.
So it's just made it interesting, right? I'm not gonna be reviewing the beat. I'm gonna be leaving that to one of my producer friends.
Okay, impartial.
All right, let's go.
Nice.
Okay, cool. We're going to try and flip this sample. We've got Ableton open. Got a timer here on the phone. And start. Okay, so what parts do we want to use? It's so hard when you got the pressure on you. Definitely use the vocal.
Okay, so let's start by raising the BPM. Now let's have a listen to the sample real quick. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of these vocals, you know. I don't think it really fits my vibe.
So when I first listened to the sample, I was thinking drill or boom bap, because that's what I'm pretty decent at, I would say.
Oh, okay, we could use that part. Yeah, it's like the long sustained note. So we've got a few little bits that we can use, and we'll just focus on that.
If it looks like I've done this before, it's because I have, because my FL Studio has crashed 4 times already. I think I like that one.
Okay, so this could work as an intro.
I'm trying to make it dark.
It's already nearly 3 minutes gone. There's so much pressure.
That sounds sick. Yeah, that's fire. Wait.
I'm gonna try to find another chop with the vocals. Now that might sound fire on some halftime.
Okay, so whilst they're busy cooking up, I just wanted to quickly tell you about today's sponsor, Tracklib. If you haven't heard of Tracklib, they're a huge online record store for sampling. They have over 80,000 original songs, a lot of them come with stems too, and you can easily clear them if you want to use them in your own tracks. You can find samples easily by going straight to the artist, the genre, some of your favorite producers' collections, or you can go straight to tracks and then filter it down by the genre, the song key, the track type, BPM, or even year. To find a sample for the beat battle, I just typed in Japanese. From here, I just scrolled down and then previewed some of them. So this one just inspired me straight away. And then I could also test it with drums. So it can work with trap. Sounds sick with classic back drums too. I was feeling the sample, so I just clicked here to download it, and it only cost me 1 credit. And if you want 15 credits for yourself and 30 days completely free, which is double the usual amount, then just make sure you click the link in the description. And let's get back into the battle.
wasted so much time doing nothing. This is so hard to do when you're just thinking about the time.
Bro, this is so stressful.
Let's add some drums now. Okay, that sounds good.
I think you can forgive me for using a hi-hat loop in this moment. Basic trap pattern.
I've never done something like this before with these hats, so I don't even know what I'm doing right now, bro.
This has come out so bad.
Okay, this is sounding nice.
Oh man.
I have to get an 808 in. No way. Save! Save, please! Please save. Please do not crash. Save. Is it saved? Oh.
Alright, so I think I found a perk loop. We're just going to use a Cactus one, why not?
Let's add a kick now.
I think I might use a Cactus MIDI from one of his old kids for the hi-hat.
Okay, cool. So for the intro, starts off with the bass synth, it's going to turn to the 808. Just got to do a little transition, like a washout thing, and I think I've got the perfect thingy-majiggy. I think that was pretty good.
I need to get a kick in. Bro, not again. Please. Please, bro. Please. Save. Save. Jesus.
Now I'm just trying to get some things in the last 3 minutes. It's so difficult with the pressure. Oh, that was terrible.
Bro.
Alright, so just to finish it, I'm just going to put that at the end and put my tag in, and we're done. We're done, we're done, we're done.
thumbs up now.
Yo, what's good people, it's your boy LLB, and yeah, I'm here to listen to J Cactus's beat battle contestees. About to see what you guys have been cooking up. Yeah, best of luck to all of you, man. Let's take a listen to what you guys have made. Alright, that's kind of cool. It's got a good potential. I feel like that beat's kind of not finished. I know that you guys only had like half an hour to make the beat. So yeah, but just a snare in there would have like finished that one off. But I'm liking in energy, man. Sample sounds crazy. Nice flip. Let's take a listen to the second one. We got Samuel. Yeah, the energy's crazy on this one, man. And the energy was hard on that one. Kind of like super hard trap, dark trap kind of vibe. Kick was thumping. Only thing for me is the bass is a little bit quiet. You can kind of tell by looking at it, the kick's kind of going crazy. But I'm feeling the energy on that one though, man. Definitely. Alright, let's take a listen to the last one. Yeah, that's a cool intro. Cool, man. Nice build up. A completely different bounce. Crazy I can flip one loop into just so many different vibes, man. It sounded crazy. Alright, I think I've heard enough. So I'm liking this beat as well, real sick arrangement. I like how you kind of added different sections to the beat as it progresses, and all within half an hour. I think it's pretty impressive, man. So for that reason, I think I'm going to go with this beat as the winner. Underscore, I'm going to choose you as the winner. Congrats, my guy, enjoy the $500. All the beats were vibes. I think the energy in the first two were definitely there. But honestly, I've got to take my hat off to Underscore for the workflow, man. 30 minutes to make a whole full arrangement, a whole full intro, bass, switch up, drums, everything. The mix wasn't too great, but just the fact that you managed to get all that done in half an hour is pretty impressive. So yeah, Underscore, enjoy it, man. Congrats. Peace out.